Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Poco F3 and I will show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So you are opening notification bar, then sliding 2 times on the right and click on edit. Right now, if you want to change position of these icons, for example, you want to get vibration right here, click hold and then drag it like that. If you want to add additional icons, for example, focus mode, just do the same. Bang. If you want to remove, the same way. As you can see, it's very simple. To save, you have to click done, and as you can see right now, everything was automatically set up. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel